Otegon chobalo mwade mangano. Idonte, I've been searching for you. Otegon chobalo asadimo yoko. Idonte.
My name is Ocheri Chinazo. Today is my traditional wedding ceremony. I'm happy I'm getting married to Enda Sonny Ogele.
Today happens to be one of the happiest days of my life. I'm happy I got married to someone I ever loved.
Wata makata malele, makata malele. I say wata makata malele,
I'm happy my daughter is getting married today. It's a fulfillment in her life.
I say wata makata malele, wata makata malele. Golibe, Golibe, your mama born you well. Golibe, yo yo yo, wata Golibe, ogebwemo.
Chinaza is a nice girl. I wish her a blissful marriage.
Golibe, yo yo yo. Masinachi, baby, get it something. No, nekene no mwata mwelu something. No, I want that beya, baby na sweet papa. Baby, get it something. No, nekene no mwata mwelu something. No, hachalugo wanye mwabuge boyibo. Wata makata malele, makata malele.
Obi di mota na ndo nwa na alụ di taa.
I'm so proud of this young couple. Chinazo is my little sister.
I wish them long life, prosperity, and a happy married life.
I'm happy today that my friend is getting married today. I wish her a long life. I wish her a happy married life.
Baby, get it something. No, nekene no mwata mwelu something. No, I want that beya, baby na sweet papa. Baby, get it something. No, nekene no mwata mwelu something. No, hachalugo wanye mwabuge boyibo.
She has been my friend right from school, and now I'm very happy to be here today to honor this wedding because it was just a reality when I saw it.
I say wata makata malele, no. Wata makata malele.
The Lord has done greater and greater, the best thing in life for me. I'm just so happy. The Lord gave me a good son-in-law. He gave my daughter a good husband.
Wata makata malele.